driving a supercar is really not that expensive, mainly because you can finance it over an extended period of time because they don't lose value. Something like the Porsche GT3, from the time I purchased it, it's actually gone up in value every single year. So lenders are willing to extend your payments out 10 years and actually give you pretty good interest rates because that car is not going to depreciate like a typical Toyota Corolla, or a Honda Civic or something like that. So what I'm just saying to you is that when you're out there and you're looking, you see all these people and they're flashing all this stuff like, oh, I'm driving this fancy car, just realize that one, they could be rented. Two, even if they do own it and they finance it, it's really not that big of a deal. Just because someone's driving a fancy car and they're flashing it on Instagram, 9 times out of 10, it's just to get you to do whatever they want you to do. Subscribe to their video, do whatever. Be cautious of it. Don't fall for it. People that have money don't flaunt their wealth. It's just, it is what it is, because you don't want to be a target. People that don't have money usually try to flaunt to show that they're power, because they think money is in power, and it's just further from the truth. So don't fall for it. You probably already realized this, but I had to say it because I watched some videos today and it was ridiculous. Don't believe it.